So now I'm going to shift over to Chainlink, which I haven't done an update on in a little bit. We've had some things break and invalidate here too. I think I wrote down here that green is now primary. Really, we actually hit our support perfectly and bounced back up. So if I had to give you my opinion, we're 50-50 here. I'm not sure if we're green or red. There are arguments to be made for both, but you can see for yourself, we hit our support, and the significance of that support, I'm going to make clear on the big picture chart in just a second. But right now, the two alternatives are that we're getting close to, well, close is relative. We may have a lower low to come in Dash, or I'm sorry, in Chainlink, or we may be done. We're about to turn back around. If we do break this red pattern, the green is dead. So with that in mind, Chainlink's big picture pattern, here's why the green pattern is almost dead. We had our pullback, which I had been calling a wave to, and then this was supposed to be another one ABC, maybe a flat correction, expanded flat. Well, just like I keep repeating over and over, you cannot retrace more than 100% of your first wave. So our origin point sits right at 1339. I believe that's what the support is, and we hit it perfectly. So we have a bit of a double bottom situation. Double bottoms are tricky in Elliott Wave analysis because they're ambiguous. You're not sure if it's an A, B, C, or if it's you know, like maybe a wave 2 and then a smaller degree 1, 2, or even maybe a third, fourth, and a fifth. If you're coming from the other direction, there's just a lot of ambiguity, so it's very unclear which one it is. So just because the green was primary before, it remains my primary by default. But if you had to ask me personally, I'm completely 50-50. I may be leaning towards the red pattern, and the red pattern would have us go into this box, and that box gives us, well, there's multiple confluences there based on this A wave. If this is an A wave, our 1-to-1 would fall right at the top of this box around 971. So that'd be quite a descent from where we are right now, which is about 1522. If you want to get out now to protect yourself from that, wouldn't be a bad place to get out, because that is quite a bit of downside. And we could go much lower because standard Fibonacci extensions fall as low as $7, maybe even down to $5.74. All of those are options here. Point is, until we break the 1355 support, I think I misspoke earlier, 1355, 1339, one of those is support. If we break that, very likely we're going to head in that box. And then again, just like with all the other cryptos, we need to see a 5-wave bounce back to give us any signs that it is over.